An environmental row is brewing between the residents of Rosetta district in St. Ann and the Municipal Corporation. This after approval was granted for a cell tower to be constructed in the community despite several objections from residents. Kalisha Williams explains.
Hesmin Harris is 90 years old and she already has several health issues to contend with. Now she said a cell tower construction site close to her home is adding to her misery.
So if they want to find place and put me, I will agree.
She said she's not only concerned about the radiation that may come from the site once the project is completed, but the vibration from the heavy equipment. She pointed to cracks near her window and how stones to support it.
Yeah, man, them build it right in. When me talk to the boy with the drive the tractor, he come to me saying they go build the weight. He must wait till him build the bed, the wall for me bed.
Ms. Harris is among several residents in the community who have voiced their objection to the project. They said their main concern is how the tower will impact their health and the environment, and so they want the project to be cancelled.
I'm very, very upset about it because I recently moved here a couple of years ago, and someone come to my husband and told him to sign a paper towards the cellular site. He said that he's not gonna sign something like that because he know that it is very dangerous.
It's open age and such a lot of sickness going on, much less if the radiation is nearby us. It is not easy to take.
They stopped for a while because other people in the area, neighbors nearby, protest against it too. And they stopped for a while. But recently they start to prepare the place again.
And on top of that, they bemoan the lack of proper consultation with all the residents in the community prior to construction.
One day, I understand that they intend to have a meeting down by the center there. But when I reached down there was nobody there. So I called this neighbor and he came and told me that the meeting put off. So since that, nobody said anything to me.
But CEO of the St. Ann Municipal Corporation, Jennifer Brown Cunningham, said the company responsible for the construction conducted a consultation meeting with several residents in the community on January 29, 2026. She said prior to that, a town crier advertised the meeting over a 2-week period throughout the community. And the significance of the cell towers, addressed the concerns residents have regarding the possible health impacts. Once the issues were addressed, the corporation said there were no further objections from the residents, and so the company got the green light to resume construction. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.